Coming up in primetime news on this Thursday, the state of public emergency in St. James comes to an end at midnight. And despite public assurances, the people here remain on edge.
I think you're ready for lift it.
We'll have extensive coverage.
Plus, block and steel have replaced zinc fences.
75% will fix right now.
Transformation in Mount Salem. We examine the Zoso 16 months after. And later, online predators.
They want girls who have a long shelf life.
A worrying trend in human trafficking.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. Live from our studios in Kingston, Jamaica. I'm Archibald Gordon.
Press News coming to you live from Sam Shop Square in Montego Bay. Back in studio though is Herman Green, and he has a preview of the latest business news. Herman?
Thank you, Janella. Well, in business, a major player in the student accommodation business is reporting losses. We'll tell you who and how much in the business day.
And from Herman at the business desk to Karen Madden at sports. What's happening?
It's cricket, lovely cricket, Archibald, but we're borrowing a boxing metaphor as the West Indies have England against the ropes on day one of the second test over there in Antigua. We'll have all the details.
And there's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking what precautions do you take as it relates to your child using mobile phones and computer tablets? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam. Please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.